In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check my tasks daily and stay on top of your assigned work. A simple daily routine like this can make a big difference in how organized and responsive you are throughout the day. The goal is to help you quickly see what needs your attention, update your progress clearly, and stay in sync with your team without missing important changes. Start by opening My Tasks. This is the best place to get a clear view of work that has been assigned specifically to you. Because tasks here are sorted by due date, you can immediately understand what is most urgent and what can be planned for later. As you review the list, pay close attention to upcoming deadlines so you can prioritize your time effectively. Making this your first check each day helps you begin with a focused plan instead of reacting to work as it appears. Once you've reviewed your tasks, update their statuses so the board reflects your actual progress. If a task has moved forward, place it in the correct section. If the work is finished, check the complete box. Keeping statuses updated is important not just for your own organization, but also for team visibility. It allows others to see what is in progress, what is blocked, and what has already been completed. A good habit is to make these updates as soon as your work changes rather than waiting until the end of the day and trying to remember everything at once. If you need clarification or want to share progress, post a comment directly inside the task. This keeps the conversation connected to the work itself, which makes it easier for teammates to follow the history of decisions, updates, and questions. Use comments to ask for details, mention a status change, or let others know if something is affecting the timeline. Clear task-based communication reduces confusion and helps everyone stay aligned. Finally, check your inbox regularly to stay updated on task changes and mentions. Your inbox helps you keep track of activity that may require your attention, such as updates from teammates or changes made to tasks you're involved in. Reviewing it consistently can prevent missed messages and make it easier to respond quickly when something important comes up. By checking my tasks, updating statuses, commenting inside tasks,